Welcome back to my channel. MARITIME guys. Once again, hopefully you guys are doing well. If you subscribe my channel, please go and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, press all to get notification for all my upcoming video. So in this video we'll talk regarding the superstition. Do ghosts exist on ship? Lot of things we'll break down today. So 7 points I have noted down here, which is known to be superstitious or superstition on board. Some people might have followed those also. So as a human being, people have the superstitions. There is nothing wrong in it. Even though if you see the cricketers also, footballers also, they are also having superstitions, because they sometimes they feel that if they are the right pad on the right leg first, so it will be good for them, or if in the field they put the right step first, right foot first, it will be beneficial for them. So a lot of superstitions that exist. So on board ship, what all superstitions are there that I will tell you. So first thing is that women on ship, very important point, because nowadays in merchant navy, women are taking interest to join, and that is very good and appreciable. And so are they really bad luck on board? I don't think so. What is your thinking? Definitely you can let me know in the comment section. And people think that when they are on board, there is a jealousy among the sailors. Okay, so I don't know what is the connection of the superstition or with the jealousy. These things are different. One is psychological, one is desire. So the different thing. No, jealousy is like comes from desire. If you want something, if you cannot get it, or someone is getting that in front of you, then you will get jealous, right? But if you're talking about the superstitions, that is a psychological state or a mental state, that you're thinking that if I do this, it will happen, it might happen. So I don't believe it. The second point is ship name and ceremonial. So what is that? Basically, when the ship has been built on a shipyard, it used to go on through ship trials and all. So in the third millennium BC, it was been from the Christianities, it has been believed that this ceremony is not positive or something like that. Okay, so this was the second point. So third point, I need to just look out what I have written here. Yeah, third point, I kept unlucky Friday. This has been, I have also seen that people said that Friday is not a great day for ship. So I don't know why, but this is the reason. Okay, maybe again the Christ connection is there, because the Christ was rescued on Sunday, so that was the thing. Okay, so fourth point is whistling of the wind on bridge. So people said if you hear a noise of whistling of wind, so it indicates there might be a storm, or TRS, tropical revolving storm, whatever. So maybe, I don't know, but to detect that, there are a lot of equipments, lot of methods are there. So maybe in some video I'll tell about that tropical revolving storm, how it has been occurred, what is the evasive action. Evasive means avoiding action basically. So this will be done on another video, educational purpose video. Fifth, ghost on ship. This is very popular, even though one movie has been made, Ghost Ship. So if you can watch that movie also. So every seafarer is having their own paranormal experiences, own paranormal ghost stories. So they used to tell when they come back to shore. So I don't know, I have never experienced this kind of things on board as of now. Hopefully I'll never experience. I don't want to experience actually. So maybe, I don't know. The sixth point, no bananas on board. Again, because we used to eat bananas on breakfast, but this has been rituals that banana brings the bad luck for ships. This was the sixth and last point. Forbidden words are there, like goodbye, drowned. This kind of words should not be used on board, like goodbye, drowned. So that is the thing. So these 7 superstitions are there, which seafarer used to follow. Some seafarers obviously. So I don't know they are true or not. but for me, I have never faced any kind of ghost stories, superstition. I don't have those superstitions also. So that was it. People are asking about me this question, that especially the ghost stories. So as of now, I don't have any ghost stories. So if I have, I will definitely share it to you. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. If you like, please like the video, subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon and press all to get notification for all my upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Signing off for that.